নইলে সংগ্রাম চলছে চলবে নইলে সংগ্রাম চলছে চলবে টিপ্রামথা লং লিভ টিপ্রামথা.
From our side, we have.
That's right. Actually, when that patta was given, just by sitting in the office, they have issued. When the application came, just they issued, they wrote the plot number, but practically it was not matched.
It was not measured.
Yes, this is the problem.
The plot number, the
Yes, it should be matched,
number is not matching.
Not matching.
Before we had submitted to the IDM regarding this patta matters, but still problem is not solved. That is why we are blocking the road. If DM come today, and if he assured to solve this problem, then we will drop this road block.
So you can talk to SDM even.
No, we shall talk DM with later. We shall talk.
And this problem is not arising here. Entire Tripura. Everyone is facing the problem.
Not in here.
Not here.
Now they will also start in other districts. Also
They are ready to start the movement.
Same movement.
Several times we have submitted to the SDM regarding this elephant problems and this patta problem.
And
But
another issue.
yet not solved.
Another issue is
That's
that
problem.
the development work. No. So how the forest department is behaving with us.
কত মোটামুটি টেন্টেটিভ
I'm getting a call from
If DM come,